everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So since quite some time, a lot of people have been requesting me to make something herbal in skincare. So today I'm going to be making a herbal face wash which is very effective for acne, for any type of skin related issues. If you have itchiness, flakiness of the skin, it gives you anti-aging benefits, it gives you skin brightening properties. So there are a lot of benefits that you will be getting with this herbal face wash that we are going to be making today. And this is a little advanced formulation which we are making today. We are going to be infusing around 15 to 16 different types of herbs for various skin related problems to treat them. But the basic formulation for beginners will be shared in the description box. Any of you all who wish to make this and use it can definitely do that. Also, I have another DIY channel for people who like to watch Hindi videos and who like to make easy to make DIYs with the products that are available at home. So I'm going to be sharing the link with you all in the description box for those who are interested. Please go ahead and watch that. So we'll quickly start with our today's herbal face wash, what we are going to be making. Now here in this bowl I have my blend of surfactants. I have taken a blend of SCI powder and cocamidopropyl betaine. You can also use any other surfactants if you wish to. And in this bowl I have my infused herbal water along with some infused glycerides which I have prepared, which will make this face wash much more effective than any other regular face wash. So I am going to go ahead and heat both these phases so that we can combine them together. Also, for those of you all who are new to my channel, I take a lot of skincare workshops, almost 50 to 60 different types. So if at all you all want to learn how to make such advanced formulations what we are making today here, you all can WhatsApp me on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box to join the workshop. So I've gone ahead and heated both these phases, and now I'll go ahead and add my water into my surfactant, and we will just leave it as it is. Always remember, whenever you combine any phase with a surfactant, you do not go ahead and blend it, otherwise a lot of bubbles will get formed which is very difficult to go away. So we are just going to leave this as it is in the bowl for a while so that everything clears off and the water combines with the surfactant. Okay, so now I've gone ahead and waited for all the surfactant to blend with the water, and if you can see how clear the solution is getting, and all this will also clear off when you just keep it in for some time. After a while this will all clear into a transparent solution. So now I'll go ahead and add my cool down phase ingredients since this is cooled down completely. Here I have taken some neem and tulsi extract. I've gone ahead and added that, and I'll give it a mix. And I have taken a little bit of my preservative. I have used Optafin Plus for this, and I will go ahead and give this a gentle mix. Please make sure whenever you add your surfactant, don't mix it a lot, otherwise all the froth will keep on increasing and it will take a very long time to clear off. So now we'll just wait for a while till this thickens. Okay, so I've just kept the solution for around 5 minutes after adding the extracts and the preservative, and now if you all can see the viscosity of the face wash. So it has a lovely thick gel consistency and very gentle on the skin. So now I'll just go ahead and add a few drops of green color to this, just a little bit of green color, just to give it the herbal touch, and we'll mix it, and we'll just keep the solution to clear off. Now you don't need to keep mixing the solution because it has to become a nice clear gel. So after combining the color with this, we will just leave it to clear off. If you all can see how beautiful and viscous the gel is, and it is equally effective on the skin. So now I will just leave this as it is till the gel clears off, and once it clears off I'll show you how the final look is. So now we will go ahead and do the filling of this gel face wash. This is a final consistency and it is quite clear, so we will just go ahead and now fill it in our container. Okay, so now after filling it in the bottle, this is how it looks. Very clear, very transparent. Okay, so this is how the look of it is. And when I put this on the skin, this is how it looks, and this is the viscosity. So friends, this is it, what we have made today, our lovely herbal face wash, which is very, very effective for many skin related problems. So in case if you like what I share with you all, if you all want me to share more such videos with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.